Hello Dnation and welcome back to an unbox and review episode. In today's episode we're going to be unboxing a 1/12 scale Diecast Custom Stretch Chopper which is manufactured by Newray, and I'm going to show you how to custom paint and mod this 1/12 scale beauty. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, let's begin by taking a look at the packaging, which seems to be premium. This custom diecast motorcycle comes in a custom chopper affiliated window type boxing with all the product branding and information. So let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging before we set this beauty free. And with that out of the way, and as we get this open, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast motorcycles away from children below the age of 5, as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get this open. And before we begin, let's take a closer look at this amazing 1/12 scale custom chopper. Well, at first glance, this diecast custom chopper is a mind-blowing beauty in red and looks quite premium and has a good build quality to it, and also has quite a bit of intricate detailing. And this model is manufactured mostly of diecast in a few components made of hobbiest plastic, which makes it premium looking. This model is a replica of a stretch custom chopper and measures in at 11 inches in length, 4.5 inches in height, 2.5 inches in width, and weighs in at about 200 grams. And this model also comes with custom metal flake red paint tabs with a metallic silver graphic abstract flame job, and also has beautifully custom chrome free rolling wheels, a highly detailed chromed engine, a kickstand, excellent suspension, and a lot more intricate details, which makes this a premium collectible. And with this model you're guaranteed a diecast replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist, as this is a stunning piece of work. So with that being said, now let's place this custom diecast beauty on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. Well, by the looks of the size of this all-stretch custom diecast beauty, I guess I'll have to custom make a dyno to check out its wheel spin, but I guess we will make do with what we have for now. And while we do our best to check out its wheel spin and its functionality, and if you're interested to find further features and specifications regarding this premium model, kindly find it in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with this premium custom chopper. And so with that being said, let's place this diecast model on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this beauty in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. A custom motorcycle is a motorcycle which is stylistically and structurally changed as to the standard mass-produced machine offered by major manufacturers. Custom motorcycles might be unique or built in limited quantities, with individual motorcyclists having altered the appearance of their machines since the very first days of motorcycling. The first individualized motorcycle, specifically labeled custom, appeared in the late 1950s, around the same time as the term was applied to custom cars. In the 1960s, custom artisans like Arlene Ness and Ben Hardy created new styles of custom bikes called the chopper. In the 1990s and the early 2000s, very expensive customs such as those built by Orange County Choppers, Jesse James, West Coast Customs, Roger Goldhammer became the fashionably status symbols. And for further information and details on custom choppers, kindly check the link in the description below. And also kindly find further features and specifications regarding this custom chopper in the description below. And here's a little twist to today's video. As I mentioned earlier, this is a beautiful and amazing 1/12 scale replica of an all-stretch custom chopper. But I want to use this diecast replica to show you how to custom paint your diecast motorcycles, as there are not many videos out there showing us how to do this. So today I'm going to be taking this beauty in red and custom painting her all black and make her a one-of-a-kind custom chopper. But don't you worry, I've got an additional model to show you how this is done. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. And now let's begin by disassembling this amazing looking 1/12 scale diecast beauty. And let's stay tuned till the end of this video to check out how this project turns out. Well, what can I say? This project turned out way better than what I envisioned it to be, and personally, as much as I love the standard red variation of this custom chopper, I am now leaning towards this all black beauty. Well, let us go ahead and see for ourselves, and please do let me know in the comments below as to which one of these variations are your personal favorite. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this 1/12 scale diecast custom chopper, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go ahead and check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts on this custom paint job. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank all my Dnation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback. Kindly continue to support Dnation and stay tuned for all new exciting episodes coming up. And this brings us to the end of this amazing Unbox review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this topic, please do drop a comment below, and stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.